Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Yes, I officially live on a building site. That is the roof of my car. They've said they'll move their stuff if we need to get it out. But other than that, we've got a digger in front of it. So, as you can tell, it's quite noisy, it's driving me nuts. They're going to be here for a while, quite some time. So, I apologise now if any of the noise comes out on other videos that I do, or if I don't do any, such as Fabric Friday. It might be too noisy for it. You can see over there how fast they're coming on the houses. But in the meantime, yeah, right. Least said the better. So you might not be hearing from me for a while. Thank you. Bye.
It's a